Bro.
You know rap dance?
No.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's hard as my boots though.
But I can also do this. No, I'm a Roy.
After 4 months, we finally get to see. No! Yeah, 4 months. Finally get to see each other again. Moy. Oh my God, Moy.
Hello.
Moy. February. I'm here.
Picture. One picture tayo.
Sorry, picture. Bro. Come on, bro. Bro. Yo, they put out some people there. I don't know if I'm there or you.
Let's go.
There's a swimming pool there.
When we ride, jump lang, dive.
Jump and you die.
Bro, they really want to see the people that are in the poster. So, today's February 18, 2025. Just telling you the date. Oh, no. Bro. My boots, bro. Like, I can't. Okay. Klang. John Paul Arangis. Bro, we're not even there, bro. Wait. What happened to the sounds? Plankton, but a zombie, bro. Sigma. Bro, we're not. Bro. Zairo, Paco. Bro, she's. Bro, Zaira Paco's gonna be here, alright. I don't know if I'm gonna be racing in 85 though.
Uy, Zaira Paco, may...
Suntuman. Hey, friend.
No.
Best friend.
No.
Crush.
Girlfriend.
Hello!
I was a girlfriend.
Bro, are you gonna race in 85? Bililio. I believe you.
Anton Cortez.
Tayo was here yesterday.
This.
Anton Cortez. But are you gonna race in 85?
You know what?
Maybe, I don't know.
Me? No. Because...
Wait. No. Oh, wait. Does Laila Guru has 85? Oh, maybe I will race. Yeah, I could get third though. Third or second, it depends. If I can. Oh, Lorraine is here though. Lorraine.
Ouch!
Lorraine. Oh, ini man. Oh. Oh. Lorraine Giboni. It looks inverted in the video. I don't know why. Oh. Bro. Okay, we have to go. Zoe, let's go. They don't love
No.
you.
Jala kaya. Wait.
No. Kinshana. Ning. Kinshana. Ning. Why? Bro. Wow, oh damn. Bro, it was so nice. but when it rained, it kind of like destroyed the racetrack. I'll invert the video, then you can see like the whole racetrack. So, wait.